Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's time to talk about Shiba Inu, and we are going to talk about the long-term holders of SHIB, because if you are a long-term holder, this is an opportunity. I'm going to talk about why that is and why long-term holders are already seeing it as such. Ethereum whales are back as well. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. If you don't know, this is Las Vegas. Love this city, a lot of fun. It's all about lifestyle. Screw the Lamborghini. It's about lifestyle, being able to do the things you want to do when you want to do them. That's the freedom that crypto provides. So let's jump in here in this video. Now, we're going to start with some not so great news, but I'm going to bring it back to the long-term outlook of Shiba Inu, and being a long-term holder of Shiba Inu kind of flips the script to this statistic that you see on screen right here. So 81% of Shiba Inu investors are underwater, but long-term holders are increasing their position. So what does that mean? Well, let's jump in. A little bit of a history lesson here too. So 81% of SHIB holders are now underwater on their investments at the 8.1 level. Currently, at last check right here, we're at the 8.2 level, actually up 4% in the last 24 hours. So this is according to data from Into the Block. Now, it's down 90% from October's peak. October 2021, of course, SHIB had an unbelievable run, and it topped out at 4088. Now, 14% of the remaining addresses are profiting, and barely 4% are breaking even right now at this time. However, despite all of this, SHIB's long-term holders are increasing their positions. And I myself am a long-term holder, and I can tell you this right now, I am getting very close to adding to my position. More on that at the end of the video. So according to Into the Block holders composition by time held, 19% of SHIB holders have held onto their tokens for more than a year. 77% have held within a year, while 3% have held onto their tokens for less than a month. I can tell you this, I have 3 different open positions on Shiba Inu. One, long-term bag. That's the one I want to add to, by the way. The other are swing trading positions where I've traded in and out of Shiba Inu to make a profit. Now, in late December 2021, this is interesting. You Today reported late last year that Shiba Inu holders were short and midterm holders, not long-term holders. Well, that has changed. Fast forward nearly 6 months, and the Shiba Inu population has shifted dramatically, with long-term owners 19%, outnumbering short-term owners at 3%. What does this tell us? This tells us Shiba Inu is becoming legit. Not only is it a top 20 crypto, people are putting their money where their mouth is. They are holding on to SHIB and accumulating at these levels right now. Meanwhile, midterm holders have been reallocated, although they still account for 77% of all SHIB owners. So price action. Well, we dipped as low as the 7.3 level, which I like, right? We were at that 7.5 level yesterday, actually 2 days ago and yesterday. We actually went as low as the 7.3. I'm waiting until it gets to the 6s, though. More on that in just a second. Here's the other real quick tidbit. Look at this. Ethereum whale, Blue Whale 0073, just bought $3 million worth of Shiba Inu. Well, what does that tell you? Well, whoever this person is believes in the long-term outlook of SHIB, and so do I. Now, let's get into the chart here, because I want to show you what I'm thinking here and where I want to re-enter into my long position. All right, let's go to the 1 year. And I brought this up the other day, but let's go year to date. Actually, let's go to the alt chart. This position right here. You see this in the 7s and in the 6s. This is where I want to enter or re-enter to add on to my current position, which I opened up way back here in May. Okay, near the bottom of this fall, I started dollar cost averaging on this first slide from it after its first pop on the charts. I want to add when it gets back down into these low 7s and 6s, and I am waiting patiently. And if it doesn't happen, that's okay. But I am going to wait until I see it get back into these 6s. I do think we could see it. When it does happen, that's where I'll be looking to add to my position. Overall, SHIB is still keeping a nice size market cap right now, too, $4.5 billion. Fully diluted is $4.8 billion. Volume is down 27%. Of course, volume doesn't tell the whole story. People could be buying and selling, but we are still seeing nice volume here in the 24-hour period, especially for a bear market. $480 million worth of volume in a bear market is still pretty solid. Overall crypto market, as we can see here, we could take a look and we could see Bitcoin is pretty flat. Ethereum is hovering right at 1,200 still, and everything pretty quiet right now. We'll see what happens ahead of tomorrow, which of course is the big Fed meeting. We expect to see, of course, another rate hike. What that rate hike is, that's going to be the big question. We shall see. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. Very grateful for you. Love each and every one of you. Hit that like button on your way out. Peace.